You don't think about your fence much. And honestly, that's kind of the point. It's just there, quietly doing its job. Keeping things in, keeping things out. Making the space feel like yours. Over the years, we've learned something simple but important. How a fence is built makes a difference. In how long it lasts, in how it looks, and in how it feels to live with every day. That's why we use durable, UV-rated vinyl, engineered to withstand sun, wind, and time without fading, chalking, or becoming brittle. Every installation is designed for Utah's unique climate. Deep-set, wind-rated, and built for the long haul. We don't expect things to go wrong, but if they ever do, you're covered, with both a material and labor warranty, because peace of mind should last as long as the fence does. Whether you want clean, modern lines, added privacy, or something that blends into the background, we offer a full range of styles and materials, all built to last. Some are fire retardant, some offer full privacy. All are thoughtfully designed to fit your space and your life. After more than 20 years and millions of feet of fence installed, we're proud to help people protect what matters and make home feel a little more complete.